Time is 5:33. Another big story we're tracking for you this morning. The nation's highest court today is set to consider whether former President Donald Trump has something called sweeping immunity from federal prosecution for anything he did while he served as president. Now, oral arguments in this case come as Mr. Trump is also on trial right now in his first of 4 criminal cases. A lot happening, a lot of moving parts. Want to bring in Scripps News political correspondent Joe St. George, who is live this morning from the Supreme Court. Okay, make some sense first on what's happening today. What can you tell us about the oral arguments that's happening in the Supreme Court? Have they even heard a case like this before?
Never before, Blaine, and that's what's making this so unique. It's also so impactful because today is going to have ramifications for all of the other criminal trials involving former President Donald Trump. The 2024 campaign right now involves a lot of reporters standing in front of courthouses. Yes, the New York hush money trial resumes today as well, but all eyes will be here once oral arguments get underway about 10 a.m. this morning on the Supreme Court, on the Supreme Court justices who will be tasked with eventually delivering an opinion regarding whether or not presidents have broad, unlimited immunity. Now, lower courts have said that no, Mr. Trump cannot have immunity in all circumstances. They've ruled that essentially no person is above the law. Does this conservative-leaning Supreme Court agree with those lower court rulings? If they grant him some form of immunity, that could mean that some of those other trials, the January 6th, the classified documents trial, you could see those trials never happening. If they rule that the Supreme Court, that the president doesn't have immunity, well, then it'll be a rush to get those trials back on track before November's election. So a massively consequential morning here in Washington, Blaine.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to pinpoint that a little more before you go, Joe. Whatever ruling happens here at the high court, looking at the impact of the many other trials that we're facing over the next months and years, if it happens at all.
Right. The question is if. We know the New York one is ongoing, and I think we can pop up on screen where the others stand. Technically, the classified documents case is set to get under on May 20th, but everyone believes that case is going to eventually be delayed because of this opinion. It's a high probability the Supreme Court hasn't ruled on presidential immunity by May 20th. We may be looking at a June ruling then. The January 6th trial already delayed. They're waiting on this opinion as well. You can't bring a former president to trial if there's a chance that he could be immune from the crimes that he's charged with. Keep an eye on that Georgia election interference case. A date in August has been proposed, but again, it's very easy to see how potentially the New York City hush money trial may be the only trial that unfolds before the November election. Or perhaps the Supreme Court will issue a quick opinion here by their standards, and maybe the other trials will get back on track relatively quickly, Blaine.
All right, Joe St. George, a guy who lives and breathes this stuff every day, so no better source to get the insight on what's happening in the world today.